Hi there. I'm going to do a quick demo on my Esico solder pot that I picked up on eBay for about 150 bucks. It's got about a, I don't know, it's about a 5x5 area, so I can actually dip solder full circuit boards in there. It also came with about $200 in solder, so that was a pretty good deal on eBay. It takes about an hour, a little over an hour to heat up. Once it's heated up, I take either a razor blade, something to scrape the slag and oxidation off the top, so that I got a nice, clean, fresh layer of solder on the top of the, or I guess exposed solder, anyways. Because if we dip the board in there with all that crud on there, it's actually going to stick to the board. So I have a bunch of boards already populated, through-hole components. Also going to put a glove on because this thing's freaking hot. I'm going to dip it in some Flux. I got some Kester 951 no clean Flux. Dip the board in there, let it drip off. And I have this transformer here. I got the leads bent so I can hold it by the transformer. I'm just going to dip the board in the solder pot, hold it for just a few seconds, pull it out, and all the components are nicely soldered. You can trim the leads, and this thing is good to go. For years I've been hand soldering these boards, and this is clearly a lot faster. It takes a little bit of practice to get used to, but works really well. Trim the leads. Take a look at that. Not bad.